Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create a new project in Revit step by step. Creating a new project is the foundation of every building information modeling, or BIM, workflow. Revit lets you start with professional templates so you can build architectural, structural, or MEP designs efficiently. So let's get started. First, launch Revit on your computer and sign in with your Autodesk account if prompted. Once you're on the home screen, locate the Projects section and click New to begin creating a new project. Next, the New Project dialog box will appear. Choose a project template that matches your work, such as an architectural, structural, or mechanical template. These templates include predefined settings, families, and standards that help you start designing more quickly. After selecting your template, make sure Create New Project is selected rather than Project Template, then click OK. Revit will generate a new project file and open the default floor plan, where you can begin creating your building model. Before adding building elements, it's a good idea to review the project browser, properties panel, and ribbon to become familiar with the workspace. You can then create levels and grids, followed by walls, floors, doors, windows, and other architectural components. Finally, click File, then Save As. Choose a location on your computer, enter a descriptive project name, and save your file. Saving your project early helps protect your work and keeps your files organized, and that's it. You now know how to create a new project in Revit and begin building your first BIM model with confidence. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.